Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Handmade by Gardina. I hope everyone is having a good day, which I'm filming this at night for the second time. The first time I filmed this on my iPad, and I completed everything, but one thing, which I was going to end up showing you on day 2, because we was waiting on it to dry, and I can't get the video to upload because it says that the file is too large. So my day 1 of hashtag 12 days of Digis 2020 is not starting out very good, but we'll get through it. So this is what I made so far. I'm putting things on paper, which I got this paper from Hobby Lobby. It's have a cozy Christmas and home for the holidays. And what I did is I folded it in half like I'm going to put it in the journal. At the top here is an ephemera from Dear Julie Julie, and I inked around it with some barn door ink, and this is Cara Brandon's tag, and I have a flower on it from Claudia at Timeless Crochet for You, which you all didn't get to see that mess up, which I did the mess up twice, not once but twice. There were 2 flowers on top of each other, and I thought I was putting a red one on, which the red one happened to be on top of this light blue one. So I ended up sticking the light blue one down. So that's what we ended up being stuck with, but that's okay, it still looks pretty. So in the pocket of Cara Brandon, that's all I done with it. And this is Dear Julie Julie's journaling card. When you hear the bells, their merry chime, be happy for it's Christmas time. And I just inked around it with some archival ink peeled paint, and I stamped Merry Christmas on the back. And this is a tag that I had done, and this is the tag from Cara Brandon. I put some fabric under it, which is red and white ticking, and this postcard here from Cara Brandon, I printed her page off twice, and I cut out the bird and put there on the red and white ticking. And that's all I done with that. And inked around it with the barn door archival ink. And then I used some washi tape, this washi tape here, that has poinsettias on it that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I made a flip out of it. And then I did a little cluster with all of Cara Brandon's little ephemera pieces. Special delivery and Merry Christmas, and I can't read what that says because the writing is too small. Put a Well Tell tag on it that I got from Enchanted Dreams 71, and her name is Lori. And just put that in the pocket, and that in the pocket, and that's that page. Turn it over. This is from Dear Julie Julie again. Inked around it with the red barn door ink. Put on Cara Brandon's pocket. This time I did get a red and green Claudia's flower at Timeless Crochet for You on Etsy. So I lucked out on it, but I did have 2 on top of each other that had stuck together, but I lucked out on it. So there's where you all didn't see where I messed up. Not once, but twice. And this is a journaling card, Christmas at Home, with a poem on it. And this is from Dear Julie Julie's. And I have stuck that in there so far. Okay, this is Cara Brandon's tag, just like from the other side. Put a Well Tell tab on it that I got from Lori at Enchanted Dreams 71. inked, not inked around it, but I put a cluster on the tag of Cara Brandon's ephemera. And what I did is Dear Julie Julie had a small Santa, and I put in a coin holder. And I have put Patty Pocket Stains on it by Patricia Veramontes. And this is what we were waiting to dry on. So I guess now we can do it. So how I was going to finish it up was we're going to put this in the middle. And we're just going to take a word stamp. And we're going to use the green ink because it has so much red on it already. So we're going to put some green on it. And we are just going to put some writing on this. And I put that little thing there to try to not get it on the acetate. I don't know if this green is going to show up very good. We may have to go with the black. But yeah, I had a whole 45-minute long video of how I did everything, how I crafted everything, and was showing you all. I was really proud of myself because the video turned out really good, and can't get it to work. And I've tried uploading it to my computer and everything. Can't do it. Okay, so that looks good. So we got that. And then I'm going to use this number 432 from Cara Brandon. Was going to glue on it. Or glue it onto that. Well, that's crooked as can be. Okay, got it down. And then glue this onto the tag. And I only used, I cut the coin holder in half because I only needed one side of it so it wouldn't make the tag so bulky. We'll put that in the middle there. Has Santa peeking through. I think that's cute. See if I can get my pen back in the Fabri-Tac with one hand, and I did, but I knocked it over. Yeah, our green has disappeared, it looks like. You can see small amounts of it, but not a lot. But there's that tag, and it's going to go into this pocket here. And then there is our page spread. With the hashtag 12 Days of Digis 2020. Let me stand up so I can make sure that you all can see it good. There's the tag that has the flip with the journaling card. They all have both elements. There's the tag and journaling card. They have all the elements. And there is day 1 complete. Okay. On December the 2nd will be day 2. And we will work on day 2. And from now on, I will use my phone. I'm not going to even attempt the iPad. But at least you didn't get to see me mess up 2 times in a row. So, you didn't get to see that mistake. But I did tell on myself. I won't admit I'm a goofball. I hope everyone has a good day. Everyone is healthy, happy, and safe. And everyone take care. And I will see everyone tomorrow. Goodbye.